My name is Ahad Rahmatullah. I'm the medical director for the hospice program here at Baylor Scott & White and Waxahachie, as well as the vice chief of staff. We recently went live on Epic, the first facility in North Texas to do so on June 1st, 2019. I'll tell you that this is my third go live, and it was probably by far and away the best go live. How I organize my daily workflow is when I come in, I get my list of patients that have been assigned to me in the morning. I'll start reviewing them by going to the vitals. I personally like looking at the 7-day vital chart, but you can look at it in the nursing flow sheet as well, which is what they teach you in class. After that, I go to the labs. Right. After that, I update my problem list based on what I see with the labs and with the vitals, and then I review the previous day's notes. And then I go see the patient, and then I come back and I populate my note. And if I notice that I've missed anything in my note, I will go update my problem list and then go update my note. One of the first things to do day one at Go Live is making sure that the patients that you are seeing are appropriately kind of on your list, and no patient has gotten kind of lost in the shuffle in regards to the way the consult was placed, right? And getting with the primary providers and making sure that they have put it in under the right team, and they've also notified you. We mandated in our facility that all consults had to be followed up with a phone call or text message or a secured chat. Epic allows you to customize pretty much everything from your notes to your order sets. It has a lot more clicks, but with that increased ability to customize also comes for you to be able to make your workflow easier. Another big suggestion I have is to share order sets with your colleagues, right? Share your note templates with your colleagues. So with the ability to customize your notes can also come people doing notes in many different ways. It could lead to a little bit of confusion, but if somebody is doing a standard template of their notes in the way that your group likes it, and then shares it with everybody else, you can have uniform notes that look good. You will feel like you're not as efficient. You will feel like you're missing things because it is a little bit different, but by far and away you have the ability to customize your notes, your order sets, and Epic provides you with the ability to build better, right? And believe it or not, you will be taking better care of your patients, because if your Epic has lots of safety guards kind of built in, and a lot of the customization of the order sets and regular updates in terms of evidence-based care that there was not in all scripts. One thing I would recommend is at the end of your day, after seeing all your patients, after you've written all your notes, right before you're about to go home, go to your in-basket. Your in-basket will contain any notes that you need to co-sign, any orders you need to co-sign, any labs or cultures that have come back since a patient has been discharged. When labs or cultures come back while a patient is in the hospital, they'll be in your results review. But if the patient has been discharged and you're following up on stuff, it will be in your in-basket. Versus in all scripts, you would have to go searching for the patient. It wouldn't come to you anywhere. In Epic, it will be in your in-basket. So you can review them, you can sign up on charts, you can sign up on orders from your resident or med student, and then enter any queries or anything else. When you go on vacation or you're out for any reason, you can actually say that you're on holiday, and you can share your in-basket with another provider, and they can monitor it for you. There was no way to just search a chart. Epic has since implemented a chart search button. If you go to the chart review, or if you look up on the top right-hand side of your screen, there's a little search button, and it will search an entire patient's chart based on any keyword. You could just type in a physician's name if you're thinking, I think I saw him in the past, and it'll bring up either a note or even any mention to you. So we've noticed our providers are more appropriately billing for critical care time and other such things that they may have not done in the past. We've also noticed that our length of stay, while we expected it to increase, given just the overall change, stayed the same, if not actually, I believe, got a little bit better. You'll survive. It will be a big change, right? But you'll survive. And after a few weeks, you'll come to realize that Epic actually will be able to help your workflow, while at the beginning it probably will feel like it is making it harder.